What's up guys, and welcome back to the YouTube video. In this video we are going to talk about socket programming and creating a chat room. Before diving into it, let's have a quick word from our sponsor of this video.
NodeScratch. NodeScratch is an online platform to create, modify and save your works and to-dos. I have personally using this for a while now. I use it to save my diary entries and to-dos. The main speciality of this application is that you can log in whenever and wherever you need, and you can get your notebook and work back.
So feel free to check it out, link in the description. Completely free. Okay, so let's dive into our topic today. So today we are going to create an architecture of a server client program which is actually sending and receiving messages each other. So it's basically a server. We have a server script and a client script which will actually exchange messages with each other. So let's start coding it. First of all, you need a module named socket module, which is basically already installed in your Python, already pre-installed. So first of all, we need a server-side script, usually named as server.py. You can say any directory. Okay. So it will be named as server.py. And we need another script which is named as client.py. So we have two scripts now, which is named as server.py and client.py. So let's start with server.py. So first of all, you have to import socket module. S object is equal to socket.socket, and we have to create socket and socket.af underscore init, which stands for address family of IPv4, and socket.sock underscore stream, which stands for TCP protocol. Now we have to bind a connection. Let's bind, which is a tuple. So first parameter will be an IP which you want to listen for, and second will be the port you are listening for. So if in this case I'm going to put my local IP on it. Local IP, comma, my favorite port is 1234, and now we have to start listening for connections. Listening for 5 queue. We will listen for 5 connections at a time. And now we have to accept for connections. A, C script export accept. If listening connections, any connection arriving connections will be accepted using A, C accept. Then after that, starting while through loop, which will actually receive it and send messages. In this case, server, so we are sending messages using server. So message is equal to input of just arrow, and we are going to send it to the client. So it will be a dot send message dot encode in PDF8. Okay, that's all for subscript, right? Okay, now let's start working with client script. Just run it real quick just to check it out. If any errors is popping up. No, let me just give it this print statement so that we can know if this is working. Listen for connections, connections. Okay, listen for connections, right? And if anyone has given a connection with us, string connection from accepted. Okay, now that's been said, we have to copy this thing which we need in client script. So it should be connect instead of binding, so we have to connect to the server script. Okay, so now we have just receive things, right? We have already connected, so start receiving. If this is working, then we will just print out it is connected. Then while true, we will start receiving message. Just print out message and comma s dot receive with the buffer data 1024. It will be buffering data in which at the rate we will be receiving data from. And decode using the same format we have given there, etf8, and hope that will work. Okay, now let's start running it. So we will come to the terminal very quick. Desktop slash speaking bigger. Github Python3 server.py. Oops, that is already used. Okay, let's change to some 635 or something. Saving that. Listening for connections. Site Python3 Python says connected, and it says connection accepted. So if I send hey, you can see message from hey, right? Message received hey. You can play around like that. From the connection, okay, you see we have received that. Hello world. You see we are sending and receiving each other. Now the thing is that it's only one side script, right? We are only sending to one side. We cannot send it on this side, right? Okay, that's what I'm really eager to do in the next video. We are going to actually create a chat room which we can have multiple clients. So that's pretty much it. We have completed our server and client scripts. So make sure you check our responsive description, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Until then, ciao.